If you're a new plant parent or don't have much time to look after a high-maintenance friend, a snake plant is the perfect choice. These resilient and low-maintenance beauties are not only easy to care for, but also offer numerous benefits to your indoor space. We'll explore everything you need to know to ensure your snake plant thrives in its environment. From light and watering requirements to simple maintenance tips, we've got you covered. Snake plants, also known by the botanical name Sansevieria, are hailed for their low-maintenance nature and resilience in various environments. Originating from Western and Southern Africa, these plants have also been found in tropical climates like Florida and Hawaii. When it comes to caring for snake plants, their requirements are minimal. Position your snake plant in an area with indirect sunlight, receiving 8 to 10 hours of light daily. While a few hours of early morning direct sunlight can be beneficial, prolonged exposure to harsh direct sunlight should be avoided to prevent leaf burn. Opt for a loose, well-draining potting mix, preferably sand-based or an all-purpose cactus mix. It's essential to ensure that the soil is not overly peaty, as this can lead to excessive moisture retention. Water your snake plant only when the soil is completely dry. Typically, this means watering deeply every 2-4 weeks, depending on humidity and temperature levels. During winter, reduce watering frequency to about once a month or less as the plant's water requirements decrease. Maintain indoor temperatures between 70 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal growth. While snake plants can tolerate average household humidity levels, they prefer drier conditions. Avoid exposing the plant to temperatures below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, as this can cause damage. They can adapt to a wide range of environmental conditions, including humidity levels. While they can thrive in typical indoor humidity levels, they prefer drier conditions compared to more moisture-loving plants. Excessively high humidity levels can sometimes lead to issues such as fungal diseases or rot, particularly if the soil remains consistently damp. Therefore, it's essential to ensure adequate airflow around the plant and avoid overwatering to maintain optimal health. Overall, snake plants can tolerate average humidity levels found in most indoor environments and typically do not require additional humidity management. Apply a balanced, slow-release October 10th. 10 fertilizer diluted to half strength twice during the growing season, once in spring and once in midsummer. Refrain from fertilizing during winter months. The October 10th 10 fertilizer is a balanced, general-purpose fertilizer that contains equal proportions of nitrogen, N, phosphorus, P, and potassium, K, represented by the 3 numbers on the fertilizer label. Nitrogen, N, is crucial for promoting healthy leaf and stem growth, as well as overall plant vigor. Phosphorus, P, supports root development, flowering, and fruiting. Potassium, K, enhances plant resilience to stress, disease resistance, and overall plant health. The October 10th 10 ratio means that each nutrient makes up 10% of the fertilizer by weight. This balanced formula provides essential nutrients that snake plants and many other plants need for healthy growth and development. When using this fertilizer, it's typically diluted to half strength to prevent the risk of over-fertilization, as snake plants are relatively low maintenance and do not require heavy feeding. Applying the October 10th 10 fertilizer as directed can help promote optimal growth and overall well-being of your snake plant. Repot your snake plant every few years or when it outgrows its current pot or displays signs of root congestion. Choose a wide, shallow pot with adequate drainage and perform repotting in the spring for best results. Occasionally dust the leaves to ensure efficient photosynthesis. Prune any old or damaged leaves as needed to maintain the plant's appearance and promote new growth. Be cautious of overwatering, as this is a common issue that can lead to root rot. With these care guidelines, even beginners can successfully nurture a snake plant, enjoying its striking appearance and air-purifying benefits. With their striking appearance, snake plants often feature wide leaves that grow upright and taper to a point at the top. While they belong to the same family, different varieties of snake plants can exhibit diverse characteristics. For instance, Zay stands out with distinctive tiger stripes and height, while Mikey boasts a more compact size, making it suitable for smaller spaces like shelves or desks. Another variety, Apollo, though rare, shares the same easy care qualities as Susie, a versatile option available in various sizes. Despite their different appearances, all snake plants share a common trait. They are incredibly easy to care for, thriving on minimal attention and responding well to neglect. This makes them an ideal choice for both novice plant enthusiasts and busy individuals seeking a touch of greenery in their surroundings. As mentioned, there are several distinct types of snake plant. Sansevieria trifasciata, also known as the mother-in-law's tongue, this is perhaps the most common type of snake plant. It features long, upright leaves with green coloration and yellow margins. This variety is known for its air-purifying properties and resilience. Unlike the flat leaves of Sansevieria trifasciata, Sansevieria cylindrical variety has cylindrical leaves that grow upright, resembling spikes or spears. They often have green-grayish coloration with dark green stripes. Sansevieria zeylanica has broader, sword-shaped leaves that are dark green with lighter green horizontal stripes. It's slightly more compact compared to Sansevieria trifasciata, making it suitable for smaller spaces. Sansevieria laurenti, also known as the variegated snake plant. This variety has tall, upright leaves with yellow margins. The leaves are typically broader compared to other varieties, and they feature striking variegation with a mix of green and yellow colors. Sansevieria bonsel is a miniature variety of snake plant has shorter leaves that grow in a rosette-like pattern. The leaves are typically dark green with lighter green horizontal stripes. It's a compact and low-growing variety perfect for small pots or terrariums. The Sansevieria moonshine variety is prized for its unique silvery green leaves. The leaves are long, narrow, and grow upright, similar to Sansevieria trifasciata, but with a distinctive silvery hue. Sansevieria fernwood, also known as Sansevieria mikado. This variety has cylindrical leaves that grow upright in a tight cluster. The leaves are dark green with light green horizontal stripes, and they often have a slightly twisted appearance. Plants similar to snake plants in terms of their resilience and low-maintenance nature include ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamiifolia. Like snake plants, ZZ plants are known for their tolerance to neglect and ability to thrive in low-light conditions. They have glossy, waxy leaves and require minimal watering. Pothos, Epipremnum aureum. Pothos plants are extremely adaptable and can grow in various light conditions, from low to bright indirect light. They have trailing vines with heart-shaped leaves and are easy to propagate. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. Spider plants are resilient and produce long, arching leaves with small plantlets that dangle from the stems. They prefer bright, indirect light and moderate watering. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum. Peace lilies are known for their elegant white flowers and dark green leaves. They thrive in low to medium light conditions and prefer consistently moist soil. Dracaena, Dracaena sc. Dracaenas are versatile plants available in various sizes, shapes, and colors. They are low maintenance and can tolerate low light conditions, although they prefer bright, indirect light. These plants share similar characteristics with snake plants, such as their ability to tolerate neglect, adaptability to various light conditions, and low water requirements. They are excellent choices for beginner plant enthusiasts or individuals looking for low-maintenance indoor plants. Caring for a snake plant is not only rewarding, but also surprisingly simple. These resilient plants, also known as Sansevierias, offer a multitude of benefits, from their air-purifying qualities to their striking architectural beauty. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or a beginner looking to green up your indoor space, snake plants are an excellent choice. Throughout this guide, we've covered everything you need to know to ensure your snake plant thrives in its environment. From light and watering requirements to soil, temperature, and fertilizing needs, we've provided comprehensive care tips to help you keep your snake plant healthy and vibrant. Remember, snake plants prefer indirect sunlight, well-draining soil, and minimal watering. They can tolerate a wide range of temperatures, but prefer warmer conditions and drier air. Fertilize sparingly during the growing season, and repot as needed to prevent root congestion. With a few simple maintenance tasks, such as dusting the leaves and pruning old foliage, you can keep your snake plant looking its best year-round. Additionally, we've explored the significance of using a balanced October 10th 10 fertilizer, understanding its composition, and benefits for promoting healthy growth and development in snake plants. By diluting this fertilizer to half strength and applying it during the growing season, you can provide your snake plant with essential nutrients without the risk of over-fertilization. Furthermore, we've highlighted some alternative plants similar to snake plants, such as ZZ plants, pothos, spider plants, peace lilies, and dracaenas, for those seeking similar low-maintenance options for their indoor spaces. In essence, caring for a snake plant is a fulfilling and enjoyable experience that anyone can undertake successfully. Whether adorning your home, office, or any indoor environment, snake plants bring a touch of nature's beauty and tranquility, enriching your surroundings and enhancing your well-being. So go ahead, embrace the joy of plant parenthood, and let your snake plant thrive under your care.